Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the dispatch error where the UE dispatch game crashes with a fatal error. First, update or reinstall your graphics drivers. This is the most important step. Outdated or damaged GPU drivers can easily cause Unreal Engine games to crash. If you use an NVIDIA graphics card, open your browser and go to the official NVIDIA website. Download the latest driver for your exact GPU model and Windows version. For AMD users, do the same on the AMD official website. After the driver is installed, restart your computer. Next, verify the game files. If you're using Steam, open your Steam library and right-click on the game. Click Properties, then go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the process to finish. Steam will automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files. If you are using the Epic Games launcher, click the three dots next to the game title, select Manage, then click Verify. If the crash still happens, reinstall the game on a different drive. If possible, use an SSD instead of a hard drive. Uninstall the game completely, then install it again on the new drive. After these steps, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.